Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook Graph API. The Facebook Graph API is a powerful tool for developers to interact with Facebook's data and functionality programmatically. Here is a guide on how to use it. Obtain access tokens. To access the Facebook Graph API, you need to obtain an access token. You can generate access tokens for different purposes, such as accessing public data or managing a user's profile. Understand endpoints. The Graph API consists of various endpoints representing different types of Facebook objects, such as user page, posts, and comments. Each endpoint allows you to retrieve, create, update, or delete specific types of data. Make requests. Use HTTP requests to interact with the Graph API. Endpoint. Specify the endpoint's URL and include parameters such as access tokens, query parameters, or request body as needed. Handle responses. Processes. The responses returned by the Graph API and point responses typically come in JSON format and contain the requested date or status information. Handle errors. Implement error handling to handle situations where requests fail due to invalid parameters, permission issues, or other errors. Follow Facebook's platform policies. Ensure compliance with Facebook's platform policies and use the Graph API responsibly and ethically to avoid violations and potential access restriction. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.